Window Warriors Forum. Check us out, windowcleaningwarriors.com. Today we're going to take a look at just clean your standard commercial windows using an 18-inch applicator, 18-inch squeegee, and we're going to eliminate fanning, over squeegeeing. All you're doing is wasting time. If you're using a 14-inch squeegee, something smaller on a commercial plate, you're not being as efficient as you can. Let's just kind of take a look. Don't over scrub it. This job is twice a year. You don't need to overdo this. Don't need to overthink this. Very simple. Sometimes guys will over scrub these windows, and that is very unnecessary. You're spending too much time scrubbing windows when you could be moving on to the next window, finishing another. Squeegee pattern is huge. Wiping sills, wiping frames, whatever you need to do. Eliminate time washing windows. That includes wetting the window down, squeegeeing the window, the patterns that you're using. So if you're sitting here over scrubbing this, I mean, if the window's dirty, for sure you must scrub it. But for windows that are even twice a year that don't get that dirty, I mean, if you're going to sit here and over squeegee this window, what's the point? Use a pattern, all in one. Get it all taken care of. Be more efficient. It's out here, Window Warriors Forum.